If you're looking to make extra cash by doing simple tasks in your area, you might have heard of the Field Agent app. It pays you to complete small missions like taking photos of products in stores, checking prices, or scanning receipts. Sounds easy, right? And yes, Field Agent is 100% real, and they do pay users. Payments go through PayPal or gift cards, and most people say they get paid on time. But here's the truth. You won't get rich. Most missions pay $1 to $10, and they don't pop up every day unless you live in a busy area. Also, some tasks require travel, so if you don't have a car or live in a rural area, it might not be worth your time. So, can you make good money? Not full-time income, but if you treat it like a side hustle and do a few missions a week, you can earn $20 to $50 extra a month. Let me know if you use Field Agent and how much you make. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. New reviews drop every week. See you next time.